Alessio, tell us why you are doing what you are doing.
It's a good question. So thank you for that. The aim of the project, of Magnifico project, is reflects my vision on it. So the aim is to bring to United States the authentic Italian food and beverage. So we want to contrast the Italian sounding, so the Italian fakes products that are all around the world. At the same time, we want to communicate the right contents. So we generally use the products that we sell on Magnifico Food to produce contents for our blog, for our recipes. So we wanna teach, we wanna inform our customers how to use in the proper way all the products that they buy. And third, selling to the right price. We are disruptive in terms of supply chain, so we don't have middlemen in our supply chain, because we buy from the producers, we import directly to United States all the products, and we sell the products directly to the end consumers. So we don't have distributors, importers, agents in the middle. It allows us to be competitive with the final price, because our final price is really cheap comparing to the traditional price that you can find in the retail stores.
Great, excellent model. So, in absence of a distribution channel in the US, what issues do you face? I'm sure there are pros and cons of using a distribution channel. Now, you are the only guy who is importing stuff and managing distribution across the US. US is a big country. People who are doing this e-commerce business of importing and selling D2C in the US, why should they not have distribution channels, and why should they have distribution channels?
It depends. It depends of the products that you sell. We sell just artisanal and premium Italian fruit. So we don't sell industrial products. If you have an industrial product, maybe you are obliged to go to sell to the GDO, to the traditional retails chain, just because you need to be competitive also on the quantitative of the products that you import and resell in the market. In our scenario, we are obliged in the opposite way. We sell premium food. So we are not interested in the quantitative, we are interested in the quality of the products that we sell. So the online, the e-commerce is the right channel for our dimension, for our project.
So you use Shopify? Which platform do you use?
We use Shopify.
Shopify, all right. Excellent. And what percentage of your business is on Shopify vis-a-vis offline?
Actually, we are 100% on Shopify. We just sell online.
Excellent. That's a good model to have. We will talk more about it. Why did you choose to be 100% online, which is very aggressive? I'm sure it's a part of your strategy. It's by design and not by default. We will come back to you on that question after I
Okay.
talk with
Thank you.